CET 2025 Biology questions with solutions. First one, which of the following are the techniques for detection of cancer of internal organs? Radiography, MRI, CT, vital test, radiography, MRI, vital test. So firstly, we'll see what are the definitions of this. Radiography, it uses X-ray to create images of internal structures, while MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, it uses magnetic fields and radio waves for detailed soft tissue imaging. Next, MRI, we already know the definition. CT, computed tomography, it uses X-ray to produce cross-sectional images, highly effective for identifying tumors. Third one, vital test. It is mainly used for diagnosing of typhoid fever. Then MRI is already we saw in the above definition. Vital test is for typhoid. So C and D are not a correct answer. So the answer is A and B, radiography, MRI and CT. Second one, malignant malaria is caused by Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium rubrum, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium vivax. So here first one, that is falciparum, it's a parasite. It is known to cause severe malaria, leading to high mortality if untreated. So that is a primary cause of malignant malaria. It is second one, Plasmodium rubrum, it's not recognized species of Plasmodium, so that is an incorrect option. Third one, malariae, it causes milder form of malaria with mild fever, not severe, so that is also incorrect. Last one, Plasmodium vivax, it is generally less severe than Plasmodium falciparum, so even this is incorrect. The correct answer is Plasmodium falciparum. Third one, the drug prescribed to the patients who have undergone organ transplant is dash and is produced by dash. Options: cyclosporin A, Trichoderma polysporum, stain, Trichoderma polysporum, cyclosporin A, Monascus purpurus, stain, Monascus purpurus. Here, cyclosporin A is a well-known immunosuppressant derived from fungus Trichoderma polysporum. This is a correct option. Whereas stain is not recognized drug for organ transplants, while Trichoderma polysporum produces cyclosporin A. So this is also incorrect. Third one, Monascus, it is used to produce red yeast rice and food colors. So that is also incorrect. Fourth one again is incorrect. So the correct answer is cyclosporin A, Trichoderma polysporum. Read the following statements and select the correct option. Statement 1. Biocontrol refers to the use of biological methods for controlling plant disease and pests. Statement 2. Trichoderma species are effective biocontrol agents for several plant pathogens. Definition of biocontrol. Biocontrol involves using natural enemies or biological agents to manage plant disease and pest. Statement 1. While analyzing the statement 1, biocontrol indeed refers to use of biological methods, example fungus, bacteria, predators to control plant disease and pest. So statement 1 is correct. Analyzing statement 2, trichoderma species such as Trichoderma hercenium are well documented biocontrol agents that plant pathogens like Fusarium and others enhances plant health. So even the statement 2 is correct. So the option is both 1 and 2 are correct. Next question, match the columns. Choose the correct option given below. So Streptococcus, it is used as clot buster in medicine. So first one will match with second option of the second column. Penicillium, Penicillium is a fungus. It is a source of antibiotic penicillin. Source of antibiotic. Methanogens, it is used to produce methane gas during anaerobic decomposition used in biogas production. Anabena is a cyanobacterium that performs pre-living nitrogen fixation. So seeing all this, option 3 is correct. Match the contents. Bioreactors, it is designed to convert raw materials to specific products like insulin, enzymes, etc. Downstream processing, it is involved in separation and purification of products. Recombinant protein, it is used to produce insulin using rDNA technology. PCR, polymerase chain reaction, it is used to amplify DNA, that is to detect mutated genes in cancer patients. So the correct option is 3. Next, the part of plasmid that codes for protein involved in the replication of the PBR322 plasmid is ROP gene it codes for a protein that stabilizes the plasmid by controlling its copy number, aiding in replication. Next option, cloning site. It is a region where foreign DNA is inserted, not involved in replication. Next, origin of replication, ORI, is a DNA where replication begins, but it does not code for proteins. Selectable marker, these are genes for selected transform cells not directly involved in replication. So the correct option is ROP. Next, to isolate DNA from fungal cells, bacterial cells and plant cells, the enzymes required are respectively. Definition of DNA isolation. Enzymes are used to break down cell walls specific to different cell types to release DNA. Chitinase, lysozyme and cellulase. Chitinase degrades the chitin in fungal cell walls. Lysosome breaks down the peptidoglycan in bacterial cell walls, and cellulase degrades in plant cell walls. So that is the correct answer. In mature insulin, which of the peptide is not present? C peptide, AB peptides, A peptide, B peptide. Insulin is a hormone composed of A and B peptide chains linked by a bond formed after processing of proinsulin. C peptide is a proinsulin, contains A, B, C peptides during maturation. A and B peptides are the active components of mature insulin. A peptide is a part of mature insulin. B peptide is also a part of mature insulin. So the correct answer is C peptide. A scientist wants to produce virus-free plant in tissue culture. Which part of plant will he use as an explant? Mature stem, axillary meristem, apical meristem, mesophyll cell. Choose the correct option. Virus-free plants are produced in tissue culture using explants that are typically free of viral infection due to rapid cell division and lack of vascular connections. Mature stem often contains vascular tissues where virus can reside. So that is incorrect. Axillary meristem, it is a region of active cell division in the axils of leaves, often free from virus due to their isolation from vascular tissues. Apical meristem, located at the shoot and root tips, and they are typically virus free, making them ideal explants. Mesophyll cell, they are parenchyma cell in leaves with vascular connection, prone to virus. So that is also incorrect. Correct answer can be B and C. Thank you.